Hey everyone, BH Bikes has expanded its versatile NX series with the launch of the new Atom Plus NX, a premium urban e-bike designed for riders who value performance, comfort, and modern connectivity. This latest model continues BH's tradition of combining cutting-edge Bosch drive systems with refined frame engineering to deliver a smooth, efficient, and highly capable ride for everyday commuting and city exploration. At the heart of the Atom Plus NX lies the Bosch Performance Line PX motor, one of Bosch's newest and most advanced drive units tailored specifically for electric city and SUV-style bikes. This motor offers an impressive torque of up to 90 Newton meters and delivers pedal assistance up to 400%, allowing riders to tackle steep inclines and demanding terrain effortlessly. The system supports a maximum assisted speed of 25 kilometers per hour, in line with European e-bike regulations, ensuring a balanced blend of power and control suitable for urban environments. Powering the motor is a 600 watt-hours integrated battery that provides a substantial range of up to 145 kilometers on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and assistance level. BH Bikes has also incorporated an intelligent care system that automatically manages energy use, helping to optimize battery performance and extend its overall lifespan. This combination of robust power and efficient energy management makes the Atom Plus NX an ideal option for long daily commutes or leisurely weekend rides without constant concern about recharging. Structurally, the Atom Plus NX is built around a city hybrid alloy frame that emphasizes both comfort and durability. The frame design offers a clean, integrated aesthetic, while the inclusion of a 100mm SR Suntour Mobi front suspension fork enhances ride comfort by effectively absorbing bumps and irregularities on urban roads. This thoughtful engineering ensures that the e-bike feels stable and responsive, even when carrying additional cargo or navigating uneven pavement. The Atom Plus NX also benefits from Bosch's latest display technology. The Diamond variants of the bike come equipped with the Bosch Kiox 300 display, which offers a color interface showing detailed ride data such as speed, range, and assistance level, as well as Bluetooth connectivity for heart rate tracking and fitness integration. Other variants include the Bosch Intuvia 100 display, which provides a more straightforward but still comprehensive view of essential riding metrics. BH Bikes hasn't neglected practicality either. The Atom Plus NX can be equipped with a wide range of accessories, including mudguards, a rear rack, a kickstand, integrated front and rear lights, and an ABUS lock, making it fully prepared for everyday commuting or touring. These thoughtful touches underline the model's urban focus, catering to riders who want a complete mobility solution right out of the box. Pricing reflects the e-bike's premium components and versatility. The Atom Plus NX Diamond and Diamond Wave models are listed at €4,299, while the Atom Plus NX Jet and Wave variants are slightly more affordable at €3,999. Each version offers a different frame style to suit various rider preferences, from the traditional diamond frame to the step-through Wave design for easier mounting and dismounting. In summary, the BH Atom Plus NX stands out as a well-rounded, high-performance city e-bike that blends the latest Bosch technology with BH's refined design approach. It delivers a smooth and powerful ride with excellent range, comfort, and reliability, making it an appealing option for urban cyclists who expect both practicality and advanced performance from their daily e-mobility companion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment. Have a nice day and God bless you.